The first question. Uh, a thief running at 8 km per hour is chased by a policeman whose speed is 10 km per hour. Okay. If the thief is 100 meters ahead of the policeman, then what is the time required for the policeman to catch the thief? Okay. Thief is running at 8 km per hour. Policeman is running at 10 km per hour. Okay, they're 100 meters apart. We have to find the time required for the policeman to catch the thief. So let's just visualize this diagram. Okay, let's take this as a road. Okay, so here there is a police. Ahead of him there is a thief. Right, they are 100 meters apart. Okay, let's say they will meet at some point over here. Now we need to find after how much time this policeman will catch the thief. Let's say they will meet at this point. Okay, now whatever time taken by the police to reach this point will be the same time the thief will take to reach this point, right? Since the police is traveling at how much speed? 10 km per hour. In this question you can see policeman 10 km per hour, thief is 8 km per hour. Okay, so obviously the policeman will overtake the thief at some point of time. Okay, that point of time is after t seconds, let's say. Okay, thief will travel this much distance in t seconds and policeman will travel this much distance in t seconds. Okay, this much I will let's just keep it here for now. Now I'll just discuss the concepts which are going to be needed for solving this problem. Okay, now I hope you know this formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, if you're unable to recollect this formula, think of it as like speed is how is it measured? Kilometer per hour, right? Let's take some number like 10 km per hour. So in this, what is that? Unit. Kilometer is in the numerator. So kilometer is what? Distance. Divided by symbol is there. So divided by hour is what? Time. Okay, so you can, if you're unable to recollect this, just do it like this and get the formula. Okay, this is one concept which you should know. Okay, one formula. Another formula is another concept is conversion between kilometer per hour to meter per second and meter per second into kilometer per hour, or however you want it, kilometer per minute or meter per minute, or okay, I'll tell you that how. So let's take 1 kilometer per hour. You want to convert it into meter per second. How much meter per second? We need to find this number. So in order to do that, how much is 1 kilometer in meters? 1000 meters, no? Okay, then there is a divided by symbol. So divided by how much is since we are converting hour into seconds, right? So how much is 1 hour in seconds? 1 hour is 60 minutes, no? Okay, now this is 60 minutes. If I want the answer in meter per minute, then I don't have to simplify further. I can just cancel the 0 0, then 2 3s are 6, then 2 5s are 10, and then the 2 zeros are 0 0. Okay, so 50 by 3 meter per minute this is. Okay, now let's say I want to convert this. I want meter per second here, not meter per minute. Okay, so what I'll do 1000 divided by 60 minutes is already there. I want to convert this into seconds, that's all. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So this is seconds, this is meters, top numerator. So how much is it? 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So 5 divided by 3 into 6 is 18. So this is meter per second. Okay, so 1 kilometer per hour in meter per second is how much? 5 by 18. Okay, and if I want to convert meter per second, okay, 1 meter per second into kilometer per hour, what I'll do, same thing. 1 meter is how many kilometers? 1 by 1000. Okay, 1 by 1000 kilometers is 1 meter. Okay, then divided by symbol is there, so divided by 1 second is how many hours? Okay, first convert this into minutes, 1 by 60. Okay, then convert it into hours, again 1 by 60. Okay, so this much is minutes, and if I divide again by 60, I'll get hours. Okay, same thing. So if I simplify this one will go top, right? So 60 into 60 divided by, this one will go here, 1000 into 1. How much is it? Or 2 5s or 2 3s are. So 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, in order to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, I have to multiply 18 by 5. Okay, now in exam we don't have to do all this. You have to just remember this number, 5 by 18 and 18 by 5. Okay, in exam most of the time they will give you problem in kilometer per hour or meter per second. If I want to convert into kilometer per hour and meter per second, what I'll do, I'll just multiply 5 by 18 to this. Okay, now how do I remember that? Now see, kilometer is a big thing, big entity, big unit. Meter is a small unit. Okay, I'm converting from a big unit to small unit. So what I'll do, I will multiply a smaller factor. So this entire number is a small factor. You'll get some 0 point something, maybe 0.3, I think, something. So this is a small number. Okay, compared to 18 by 5. 18 by 5 is 5, some 3.6 something, right? So this is a bigger number, this is a smaller number. So if I multiply smaller number, I'll get meter per second, which is a smaller unit. If I multiply bigger number, that is from meter per second, if I want to convert it into kilometer per hour, I'll multiply a bigger number, which is 18 by 5. Okay, this is how you can remember this. Okay, I'm telling you ways to remember it also. You don't have to solve every time. Okay, I'm going to erase this now. I hope you understood the concept behind this. Okay, there's one more concept, but I'll tell that later. For now, let's solve this conceptually. School method. Okay, now the distance traveled by police. Okay, how much is the distance traveled by police? This much, no? Assuming they meet here. So let's assume that the time taken by police is t. So distance traveled by police is equal to distance traveled by thief. Okay, how much is the distance traveled by thief? This much. Okay, plus this extra 100 meters gap which they are having there. Okay, so distance traveled by thief is this much, police is this much, thief is this much, and that extra 100 meters. So this equation is being satisfied now. Okay, now we need to expand this equation. Distance is what? Speed into time. Speed of the police into time taken by him, and this one is speed of the thief into time. Okay, plus 100. Now what is the speed of the police? 10 km per hour, but we need to convert it into meter per second because here it is given in meters. We need to have a standard unit while simplifying things, otherwise it won't work out. So either convert everything into kilometers or meters. Since it is meters here, I'll convert it into meters here. Okay, a meter per second, let's convert it into. So 10 km per hour we have to just multiply 5 by 18 because we are converting it from a higher value to a smaller value, that meter per second. So we have to multiply a smaller factor, 5 by 18. So how much is it? 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. So you get 25 by 9 meter per second. This is the speed of police. Okay, let me just write that here. Speed of police is 25 by 9 meter per second into the time taken by him. Now speed of thief, speed of 8 km per hour. So again 8 km per hour you have to convert it into meter per second. 5 by 18 you multiply. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. How much is this? 20 by 9 meter per second, right? So 20 by 9 meter per second into time plus 100. Okay, now simplifying this, let me take this to the left hand side. Okay, and take t common. If I take t common, I get 25 by 9 minus 20 by 9 is equal to 100. Okay, then t, if I simplify this, I'll get 5 by 9 is equal to 100. Then multiply this 9 here and this 5 will come below. Okay, 100 into 9 by 5, then 5 ones are, then 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0. How much is this? 20 into 9, 9 zeros are 0 and 9 twos are 18. Okay, 180 seconds. Why seconds? Because we converted into meter per second, so you will get the unit in seconds only. If you had converted into meter per minute, you will get here minutes. Okay, now since we got seconds, and what is the options here? In minutes. We have to convert this into minutes. So how do we convert this? Divide by 60. 180 by 60 is how much? 3 minutes. Okay, 6 ones are 6, 6 3s are 18. So this is the method or conceptual method to solve this. But in exam, we should not do like this because it's very time consuming, right? For this, for solving time, we have another method. Okay, I'll tell you that concept first. It's called relative speed. In relative speed, no, let's say two objects A and B, if they are moving in the same direction, let's say x kilometer per hour is the A speed and B speed is 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, then what will be the relative speed? Relative speed will be x minus 5. Okay, and let's say the same two objects are moving in the opposite direction. Okay, same x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour. Okay, A and B. Then what will be the relative speed? X plus 5. Okay, why like this? Let's take an example. Let's say this is the road. Okay, you're driving a car and from the opposite direction another car is coming. Now when you see this car, no, okay, you will feel that it's moving very fast because it's coming in the opposite direction. So that thing is represented here, x plus 5. Okay, now let's say you're moving in this direction and there is another car moving in this direction. Okay, now if you observe this car, you will feel that it's moving very slowly because it's moving in the same direction, right? So relative speed would be this speed minus this speed, right? That is what is given here. Okay, this is the concept of relative speed. Now since the policeman and the thief are moving the same direction here, so what we need to do, we need to subtract, right? So what is the relative speed? 10 minus 8. Here I'm not converting, okay, before only I can convert it later. How much is this? 10 2 kilometer per hour, no? Now let's convert this now. 2 into 5 by 18. How much is it? 2 ones are 2 nines are 18. 5 by 9 meter per second. Okay, now what is the distance between them? 100 meters. Okay, see, units are matching, meter meter. Okay, the second, anyway we can convert it later into minutes. Okay, so what is this formula now? Speed is equal to distance by time, right? Distance we know, speed we know, relative speed we need to find the time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is how much? 100 meters. Speed is 5 by 9. Okay, 5 by 9. So simplifying this, 100 into 9 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0. Okay, I hope you know this division method. I had taught you earlier. You don't have to do it like this. Okay, don't do like this. It's very slow. I know you do like this, and then you take like this. Don't do this. Just follow this method. 9 zeros are 0, 9 twos are 18. See, we got 180 seconds. Convert it into minutes. Just divide it by 60. 6 ones are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 3 minutes. Okay, so this is how you do it.